So what we're going to do is to try and make up a saturated solution, a solution of maximum concentration. So try to dissolve as much sodium chloride in this particular solution as much as possible. This is your preparation for a phlegm test. And we have a bunch of these wooden splitter. So in school where we don't have platinum or nichrome wire, we use wooden splitter, so that is acceptable. And what we're going to do is we're going to have the wooden splitter kind of like soak in the solution. So just soak in the solution, and then what will happen is it will pick up the solution of the sodium chloride, and you will make it wet at the end of the wooden split, and then that is what you put on the yellow flame of the Bunsen burner, which I'm going to start up now. So let me just start up Bunsen burner. Don't know whether it's going to start up okay or not. So let's have a look. So there's my Bunsen burner. I use the non-luminous flame, so the blue color, kind of like very faint blue color. And this is my wooden split with the thing on it. So that's the yellow flame color of sodium ion. Don't let it dry out so much, otherwise the wooden split is gonna burn quite easily. But obviously, like, it's just a momentary observation against the roaring blue flame, the non-luminous flame with the Bunsen burner air hole opened, and then you can see the yellow color of sodium ion, and then plus that. And you repeat these for all the other metal ions, and when you repeat it for the other metal ions, you observe the color, and then you're supposed to see different colors, like lithium ion will be crimson red, and then sodium ions I show you was yellow flame color, and of course lilac will be the K plus ion. So you can repeat that for the rest of the metal ion. In reality, people should have used the platinum or the nichrome wire, which they deep clean in concentrated HCl to remove any impurities. But again, in school practical, especially for paper 3 O level or paper 5 IGCSE level chemistry, this is what you do in the actual practical. Okay.